Okay, we're going to use the quotient rule for this one because it's a dividing. And so, knowing our derivatives for our trigonomic functions, we know that the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. Okay, so let's label. This up here is going to be our f, and this down here is going to be our g. Okay, so let's take the derivative. So g prime, or f prime, it's going to be tangent. So tangent of, so the derivative of tangent is secant squared, and then you keep the inside, so 3x. Okay, and then you take the chain, you use the chain rule and take the derivative of 3x, what's on the inside, because that is a function too, because it has an x. So the derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, and then that's our f. Now we need to times it by our g, which is x plus 7, 4. It is our g. We times it. We have this part done. Now we're going to take away just tangent of 3x, because we leave it, because it's just the f. And then we take the derivative of x plus 7 to the 4th power, which is, you bring down the 4, x plus 7, you get a 3, and then you take the derivative of the inside, which is just 1, because the derivative of x is just 1. So 1. Okay? And then after, then you put it, so let's just label these. Tangent of 3x, that's going to be your f, and this is the derivative of g. Okay? You put it all over x plus 7 to the 4th over 2. And then that equals 8, so it's actually this. Okay? After this, you can do something easier for yourself, which is that you can take away a common value, since this one and this one have, and this have a common value and they're multiplied together, then you can take them out and factor them out. So x plus 7 to the 3rd, because that's your lowest one, so you're limited to only taking out a 3rd power. Then on the top, then you can take that full x plus 7 to the 8th out, which then leaves you with this secant squared 3x, okay, times 3x plus 7, just to the 1st power because you took out 3 from this power of 4, and then you minus 4 because you took out all of this, so you're just left with 4 tangent 3x. Okay, after you have that done, and you can now use exponent rules, which is subtracting. So this actually becomes 1 over x plus 7 to the 5th power, because 3, you can only take away 3 out of 8, so that leaves 5 on the bottom. Then you can just multiply whatever is on top, because it's multiplying. So just put it secant squared 3x times 3x plus 7, 1 for tangent 3x. Then you can multiply that 1 to everything, but it stays the same. So your answer, in writing it nicely, 3x times 3x plus 7, 1, 4 tangent 3x, all over x plus 5, x plus 7 to the 5th power.